Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by pausing and stopping Drive for desktop so File Explorer won't be updating while you work. Open the Drive icon in the system tray, choose Pause or Sign Out, then right-click and exit the app to stop background sync. Once done, make sure any unsynced documents are backed up to another folder or external drive. You do this because running processes can lock files and prevent a clean uninstall or removal of the drive entry from Explorer. Now uninstall or unlink. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Apps and Features, find Google Drive for desktop, and choose Uninstall. Follow prompts to remove the application. If you prefer to keep the app but remove Explorer integration, open Drive Settings and choose Unlink Account. This stops the virtual drive from showing. Once the program is removed or unlinked, delete the local Google Drive folder if you confirmed backups. Make sure to close Explorer windows so file handles are released before deleting folders. Finish by refreshing Explorer. Restart Windows Explorer and Task Manager or reboot the PC to let the navigation pane update. After restart, open Credential Manager and remove any Google Drive credentials so the system won't auto-reconnect. If the drive entry still appears, you can remove the navigation pane link by deleting the Google Drive CLSID key in Registry Editor, only if comfortable with registry edits. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to reboot into safe mode and repeat the uninstall or registry cleanup to avoid locked files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.